Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine and following up on my videos. In case if you have missed any of my videos, do check it out after this one. So for this time, I thought why not to create a trending foxy eye makeup look. So let's head to the video. So I'm using this Plum Mattifying Green Tea Moisturizer. Now I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, which is a gel-based primer. Now I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. Now I'm using this Huda Beauty Foundation in the shade Macaroon 230N. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium 20. And if you want to see how I did the base, you can check the description box, the link is given there. Now I am using the Swiss Beauty Eyebrow Palette, and first I will just draw the lines, the light grey shade with this one. Now I am using this brush and just blend it like always. Now I am using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and will be using the shade Amber. For a perfect blended look, I'll be using the brown crease blending brush and will start from the outer corner of my eye. I've also applied the tape so that I'll get a very sharp and a clean look. Now I'm repeating the same step on my other eye. Now I am using this slight angular brush and will be using a slight darker shade from Huda Beauty palette, and the shade name is Saffron, and will be blending it towards the inner corner of my eye. Now I am using the Savannah Colors palette. This is a luxury velvet eyeshadow palette, and here I am using a slight goldenish shade from the inner corner. Here I am using In Color Cosmetics Gel Eyeliner and Smudger in the shade Brown. Now this is the most important step. With the help of the outline, I will draw a wing, a very sharp and a clean wing, and will extend it towards the inner corner. Now with the help of this brush, I will draw another wing in my inner corner. With the help of this angular wing brush, I will complete my inner corner wing. While doing this step, you have to be very careful. Don't be hurried and be patient. अगर आपका ये inner corner का wing खराब हो गया तो आपकी सारी look messed up हो जाएगी. Finally, my eyes are done, and now I'm going to use this white kajal from Wet n Wild Beauty on my waterline. After that, I'm using this Neon Studio Cheek and Contour palette. I'll just use it a little bit. Now I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Glow Big Blusher palette. And I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to use this color from Miniso. Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. After this, I am going to use Blue Heaven Strawberry Flavored Lip Balm so that my lips don't get chapped. After this, I am going to use Lakme 9 to 5 Toffee Nexus Lipstick MB4. Now, to give it a glossy and shiny look, I am using this Korea Walk Cosmetics Glittery Gloss. After this, I am going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and its number is 100. For highlighting, I am using PAC 131 brush. So this was my final look. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and comment down below if you have any suggestions regarding my upcoming videos. 3, 2, 1, boom!